Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's a really quick recipe. It's a no-cook chicken sandwich. It's sour cream and onion dip sandwich. We all love sour cream and onion. We put potato chips in there and many other things. Put it on tacos. So today, if you have pre-cooked chicken or diced chicken, you can make this without even turning on your stove. If you want, you could take the chicken and put it in the microwave and warm it, but it's all up to you. But this is a sour cream and onion dip sandwich. It's really simple. You only need a couple things, and in my opinion, it'll take 10 minutes or less. But like I said many times before, most of these recipes are new. I'm trying new recipes daily, so the ones that I show you, they're new for me, so we're definitely learning together. So for today's recipe, we're going to need Roma Tomato, sour cream, arugula, buttermilk seasoning dressing. If you don't want to use that, you could make your own sour cream and onion, or you could buy buttermilk dressing in the store. But this is the seasoning. This is crispy onions, French rolls, and here's the already cooked diced chicken. So like I said, if you already have it pre-cooked, it's really easy. If you want, you could take this roll, cut it in half, put some garlic butter in there, and give that top a toast, but that's up to you. But for this demonstration, I'm going to put the one roll away, and we're just going to use the one roll, and we're just going to concentrate on one sandwich. Be back. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're back. While you were gone, I cut the Roma tomato into slices. I got some black pepper. It's not necessary, but you could add it to the mixture. I got the mixing bowl. I got the chicken, buttermilk seasoning, like basically the dressing to make. 2 things of sour cream. So we're going to take all of these, combine it into the bowl, and mix it. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we put those tomatoes aside. So we have the chicken. Throw in your chicken and take that buttermilk seasoning and throw that in there. If you want, you could, if you want to make it even easier, take buttermilk dressing from the store and mix that in there if you want. So here's the sour cream. We're just going to put the sour cream in here and we're going to mix it, and then we're going to throw some pepper in there. And then after that, we just make the sandwich. Actually, if I wasn't recording this, I think it would only take 5 minutes. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, I'm back. I took the sour cream and I put it in there. Now we're going to take a spoon and just mix that up. And next we're going to add some black pepper. You don't have to. You could add garlic powder, onion salt, whatever you want. Alright, so like I said, you just start mixing this, and you can see it come together. Like I said, I don't want to sound like a repeated record or a broken record. You could have used buttermilk salad dressing in here if you wanted to, instead of that mix. But I wish you could really smell this. It smells really good. So we're going to take some black pepper, and we're just going to toss that in a bit. Add some color to that. And we're almost there. We're just going to put the sandwich away. But like I said, if you wanted to really make it better, you could toast that bread. Or you could put garlic butter and put it in the pan. So we're almost done. Next, we're going to just put it on a plate and put the sandwich together. Good for kids, good for yourself, good for a go-to snack or a quick lunch. Alright, so that is finally done. And now we're going to go to making a sandwich. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, here's that sandwich. So you're going to want to take this chicken salad and just start putting layers of this chicken salad on the sandwich. Sorry, I don't have a spoon with me right now. Like I said, this is live recording. So just load this up with the chicken salad. Like I said, if you wanted to, you could have toasted this, or you could have put garlic butter on here and then put this into the pan. It probably would have been best, but I don't have a lot of time today, and I just wanted to show you this. So just put a layer of that chicken mixture down. All right, YouTube and Facebook, you see that I have that down there, and we're just gonna put the rest of it on. All right, so the next thing you're going to want to do is take crispy onions of your preference and just throw it in there. Evenly spread it out, and that'll give a nice crunch. Give nice texture. All right, so we got that done. So take your Roma tomatoes and place that on the sandwich. Now look at that thing. And like I said, if this wasn't being filmed, this could be done in 5 minutes. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, this is what I like about live recorded and not edited. I actually changed my mind. I want to definitely char the top of that one bread. So I'm using garlic butter right now. And I'm going to put a crisp on just one side. And then after that, we'll put it back on the sandwich and top it with arugula. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, see what I mean? A lot of times you can just change things midway, but look at that. Now you're going to have the regular bread on the bottom, and the garlic bread crispy, a little bit of char on the top. So the thing you're going to want to do is next is add arugula. So add this, and then we're done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your sandwich. Came out really good. If you want, you can garlic bread the other side. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there's your sandwich, and that's your sour cream and onion chicken sandwich with tomato, crispy onions, and arugula. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, tell everyone about it. You can find me on Facebook, Dansoy Cook, and I'll be bringing you more recipes. Love you, and peace. See you again soon. Love you. Dansoy.